Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can sync up your Xbox Series S and also Series X controllers to the Xbox Series S. So I'm going to show you the two ways that you can do it. First way is going to be wireless and the second way we're going to be using a cable. So the wireless way is really simple. All we have to do is turn on the controller here and you will see it will start to flash like that. We then need to put this into pairing mode by holding down this sync button on the top here for just a couple of seconds until it starts flashing fast. There you go. And then we need to hit this button here. You can see it's got three little symbols next to it, the same as the three little symbols next to that one there. So hit this one and you will see that this light here will start to flash, and then they will both pair up with each other like that. And now they've both gone to solid and you can see they're paired up. I'll show you it working in a minute. The second way is we can also do it using a USB-C cable. So you can see the USB-A here, which will go into this port at the front or the back, and then we have the USB-C there. If we plug that into the top here, it will automatically sync it up, and then when we unplug it, it will stay synced. There you go. Now let me show you them working on the TV. So here we have it. You can see that the Series S controller is working and the Series X. And you can have up to 8 controllers connected to the Xbox Series S. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.